All right, so let's do a quick demo of how Cloud Lab works. The purpose of having a Cloud Lab is for some of us who are not extremely comfortable with terminal yet to basically give you this desktop feel of like logging into a real machine. So let's see, if you go to, well, the first thing you have to do is you have to follow the steps to set up your two-step authentication using your CS12SP20, whatever the trailing characters are, using that account to log in. If you don't have that account, you can use an email alias to log in. So you go to cloudlab.ucsd.edu. I think as of now, only CSC12 has this account set up. So click on this, and then you will be asked to log in using your account. If you have a CSSP12 account, do it. If you don't have it, use your email. You click on login, and there'll be a two-step authentication. You click on push, and then click on login. There we go. So this is the interface you'll see. Normally you won't see, like if it's the first time you see you're logging into here, you won't see so many recent connections. So there are two options you can do. Number one is server remote desktops. This is like what you see, something like these. Or you can use terminal, SSH terminals. Either way is fine. So let's try this. So if you log in and you click here, this is the interface. This is the field you have. You have home, like these are all the files you have. And this thing basically lives in your browser. You also have applications. Like you can start a Firefox session inside your Chrome. Although it sounds weird, but this is just a remote desktop. It looks like I have some Firefox already running in the backend. I can't do it. But anyhow, so this is kind of what you have. You can open up Genie in here as a text editor. You can obviously start a terminal in here, right? Open terminal. So this is the terminal. You can do everything that you normally want to do. Java C, Java, right? And then once you are done, I think you can either close this browser, and from what I was told, this session that you are logging in will stay active for a few days. You can also come over here and say log out. Okay. Either way, so you log out and then you go home. The other thing is the SSH terminal. As you can see, I don't know if the video quality is very good, but you can see this is just like a normal terminal. Okay. And you can basically run this terminal like what you normally would do. You can click on exit, then you are logging out, then you are back home. So if you click on some of these sessions, sometimes it may not work well. This is a new service they're still trying to figure out. But if you click over here, in general, it should work well. So one useful feature that I've found useful is this allows you to have drag and drop. So for example, if I have on my local machine, I have a picture and I want to drag it over here, it's gonna give you this automatic file transfer. If you go to your home and you go to your home folder, this is the file that I just dropped in. I think one thing that you should know is it's hard for you to drop things out. I haven't tried it, but it's a little bit hard for me to drag a file from this browser interface to my local machine. But it allows you to go from local machine to basically to the cloud as of now. Okay, so this is kind of what we have, and it's not a substitute for learning terminal commands, right? This is CSC12. It's better that you're a little bit more comfortable with terminals. So this is just a kind of a backup. If you say I need to connect, but I want to try this graphical user interface, feel free.